Hi, Songkran originated from a Hindu spring festival that marks the beginning of a harvest season in ancient India. Thailand adopted this festival, which is today known as Songkran, which marks the beginning of a new year in Thailand. This festival is celebrated on the 13th of April every year, and the traditional way of greetings during this festival is Sawadi Pimai. Welcome back. What is the religious significance of Songkran festival? What you have to understand is that during this festive period, Thais are quite busy. They visit the temple to pay homage to Buddha. And while paying homage, they get to bathe the Buddha statues as a sign of respect. They equally move around sharing gifts with each other as a sign of happiness and celebration and wishing each other good luck. And the most interesting part of it is the splashing of water. Splashing of water might be ordinary to you who is not used to the culture, but it equally has a religious significance. When Thais splash water on each other, it's a way of wishing good luck for the new year and some sort of religious cleansing from all your sins and bad luck. That is why when you move around during Songkran festival, you see people splashing water to each other. It's a sign of religious cleansing. So all these activities is being done in order to mark the ceremony. In as much as the Songkran festival is glamorous in its own way, it's equally dangerous. In Thailand, the dangers surrounding this festivity is known as the 7 dangerous days. Yesterday I checked the news. It was on news and police were already drawing strategies on how to help to reduce the risks of accidents and eventual death during this ceremony. So as a foreigner in Thailand during this period, you might want to be careful when celebrating with the Thais. Watch out for drunk driving and do not consume a lot of alcohol. Also, you might want to avoid crowded areas due to the COVID pandemic. You have to have your face masks on as much as you can. So these are some of the dangers surrounding this festivity. And the last point you have to understand about the Songkran festival is that it's being commemorated in other parts of Asia, although it's not as popular as Thailand. Thailand has the most popular festivity, which has been known by almost everybody in the world over. That is why tourists come in here to join in the celebration. So these are some of the few facts that I wanted you to know about Songkran. I believe there are more facts that Thais know and they can explain much better for someone that has a curious mindset to know what this festival is all about. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.